Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the YouTube Studio mobile app and confirming you're signed into the correct channel. Tap your avatar in the top right, then choose YouTube Studio to access creator tools. Once done, make sure your connection is stable. The app loads different sections based on account type. This gets you directly into the dashboard so you can reach audio assets without unnecessary steps. Now move to the left side navigation to find the content and audio sections. Once in the dashboard, tap the menu icon to reveal navigation. You want to locate content or tools. Sometimes Audio Library sits under Create, Tools, or Settings depending on app version. Tap Content, then look for an audio or music entry. This opens the library list. If you don't see it, use Settings and scroll to Copyright or Audio Library shortcuts. App layouts change, so this step ensures you follow the exact path your version exposes. Now you'll be viewing available tracks. Now that you're in the audio library, search and filter by genre, length, mood, or attribution requirement to narrow choices. Tap any track to preview it. This lets you confirm fit before downloading. Once satisfied, download or copy the attribution text provided. Make sure to note license terms. To apply audio, open your video in the editor or add it during upload and select the save track. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache and reinstall, or update the app to refresh library.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.